So here is a CapCut AI video generator tutorial for beginners. CapCut makes creating high-quality AI videos insanely simple. From auto captions and AI templates to smart edits that normally take hours. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, use my link below to get 7 days of CapCut Pro for free, so you can unlock all the AI features without paying anything upfront. After clicking on the link below, you'll be brought to this page. And after scrolling down, you will get to see the pricing of their plans. You can choose between monthly and yearly. Now, let's scroll up to the top and click on Sign Up on the top right corner. But if you click on my link, you'll be taken to the sign up page automatically. So as you can see, we're now signed in and in the dashboard. And this is what it will look like after you sign in. You will get to see all of these options on the main dashboard. But for this one, let's go over to AI Video Maker. You will then be redirected to this page right here. Give it some time to load up. So once you're here, you will get to see this prompt box on the top. And on the bottom here, you'll be able to view some inspirations, some videos created using CapCut. You can also select different segments like trending, AI templates, styles, and avatars. Then we have Canvas projects, where all your Canvas projects will be visible. After that, we have storyboard projects. And it is now empty because this is a new account. So let's try out generating a video just by using a prompt. For that, I will copy a pre-written prompt and paste it into the text box right over here. After that, you can click on the plus icon in order to add any attachments if you want. Then, on the style section, you can choose from any of these styles. Browse through and check them out. And once you find your desired style, all you need to do is select it. For example, this one. After that, we can move on to the voice section. If you don't want any voice, keep it on none. Then, if you click on the play button on any of the voices, you'll be able to hear a preview of that voice. This way, you can scroll through the page and check out the different voices available, and you will notice there are a lot of voices to choose from. So once you find your desired voice, just select it. You can also click on the controls icon beside the voice. Then, use the slider to set the speed for your chosen voice. And after you're done setting it, you will notice that this voice is set right under the prompt box. After that, we have these additional controls, such as duration and aspect ratio. You can set the duration between 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So choose whichever one that you want. Then, you can set the aspect ratio between 16:9 or 9:16. For this, I will select 16:9. Once you're done setting it up, just click on Create. You will then be taken to this page. And as you can see, we have a chat box where it is now processing our prompt. And on the left panel, we will get to see these options that we can use. So as you can see, our video brief is now ready. You can go through it to make sure all the information is correct. And also, the narration is up to the mark. If you want to make changes, you can do it from here as well. Just go through each of these sections and make sure they're all correct. And here on the voice section, you have the option to add your own voice as well. If you want to change the voice or even the language, you can do it from here. And if you go over to avatar, you can scroll through and choose any of these avatars if you want. So this way, check through the settings one by one. Here on Scene Media, you will be able to choose between video clips and images depending on your needs. After that, if you want to make changes to your duration, you can do that from here as well. Same goes for the aspect ratio and platform. If you want, you can select another platform as well. Then check through the narration, and if everything checks out, click on Generate Video. And as you can see on the bottom here, it shows thinking. You will then get to see a pop-up like this. Here, it says Generating Storyboard. It may take a little while, so give it some time to get done. You will also see a preview screen right here in the middle. And as you can see, our video is now ready. You can view it in different sections just like this. And if you want to make changes to the script, you can select whichever part you want and click on Rewrite or type in your own. After selecting Rewrite, choose from any of these options. And once it's done, if you like it, you can click on Replace to replace the previous one. This way, check out the entire video and all the sections, then make your desired changes. Also, you will get to see some additional options as well. For example, if you hover over on any part, you will get to see some options like these. And if you click on the three dots, you will see the option to delete or duplicate that section. You can use this for any of the sections that you want. And here on top of the preview, you'll be able to view the music added to your video. You can click on this icon to replace the music. All you need to do is go through the categories or options, or you can use the search bar to search for your desired music. Just go through all of these options and choose the one that you want, and it will replace the previous music. So as an example, let's go with this one. Just click on the plus icon beside the music you want. It will then be added onto your video. And for the elements, you can click on the replace option and then see all the templates available. Scroll through them and choose whichever one that you want. If you like any, just click on it and then click on apply. And if you go over to smart edits on the right, you will get to see all of these options to customize the elements. You can also set the intensity from these options. So this way, go through all the options and customize your video according to your preference. And because it uses quite a bit of AI, everything is easy and efficient to do. Let's click on the play button and check this part out.
Marks another cycle, but time has lost its meaning. My directive remains: survive. Power levels are critical. I scan the debris, the remnants of a forgotten age. Hope is a logical fallacy, yet I persist. These husks of metal.
So as you can see, it turned out pretty good. And once you're satisfied, you can click on export on the bottom. Then start customizing these options according to your preference, such as quality, then resolution. After that, set the file format that you want. Then select the frame rate for your video. Once you're done setting it up, just click on export and it will be saved onto your device. But to make further changes, just click on edit more right here. After that, it will start processing the video and open up on your CapCut application. And as you can see here, it has now opened on the CapCut application locally. All the scenes, audio, subtitles, and everything else is right here, and we can start editing manually just like we would on any other project. This gives you a lot more flexibility and customization options. So just go through your video and make your desired changes. Once you're done, just click on export on the top right and export your final video. Keep in mind that a lot of the elements used here may not be available on the free version of CapCut. And that's it. That is the CapCut AI video generator tutorial.